Hey everyone, what's up? Please subscribe to my channel if you are new here. You can see that logo is Huawei. It's #1 cell phone maker in China. Oh, so busy. So I'm going to introduce the brands here. And you can see how busy this road is. This street is. It's pretty kawaii there. Pop Mart. And we have to wait here. And there's some police. They just control this road. Everyone is busy here. It's pretty nice. I'm going to show. It's quite busy. Yeah, we have to wait here. So I don't cut it off. We just wait here, and you can see the situation here. There's a big poster, Tissot. It's from Switzerland. Famous watch. The traffic is pretty heavy. So the police have been working so hard in order to control the flow of people. A serious stampede happened here, roughly in 2016 or 2014. Some people have died. Some people died in that accident. That is why there's a lot of police who can guarantee the safety of each tourist here. I think it is a good idea to do that. That one is Li Ning. Okay, it's a famous Chinese outfit producer. The founder was a famous sportsman. The founder is a famous sportsman, gymnastic, maybe. It's a big one. Wow, that is a Korean brand, Samsung. Sunreal Gift Gate. Apple, everyone knows that. It's the biggest store in Shanghai. You can see it's quite busy. Many people are fascinated with the American brand, Apple, iPhone. So we can see more international faces. Very nice. That lady is streaming, I think. What about that one? It's younger. It's an outfit garment producer. There's a group. Okay, we can see more logos. Brands, MLB, Muji from Japan, Levi's from America, I think. Guys, you can see most of them are young people. It's a little bit hot, about 34 right now. Okay, MLB. Lucky In Coffee. It's a big rival of Starbucks. Wow, that is a big screen. And we are looking at that screen. Maybe there's some interesting programs. I don't have too much time to wait there, so we can continue our journey. And that one is the Orange Tiger. Onitsuka tiger. Maybe it's a Japanese one. Levis. Levis.
他没给我咋说呀？我就是。
Swatch from Switzerland. Polo Walk. They're selling some polo shirts, maybe. T-shirt again. There's so many people, so I just can slow down my pace, and you can see more. You can see them clearly. It's very nice to see many people from different regions. It's very nice, I think. Peacebird. There's a hotel. It has a great location. Peacebird. It's a Chinese brand. The big screen is shining, sparkling. It's pretty good. It's a female driver. Guys, I'm pretty familiar with Shanghai. If you are planning to visit Shanghai here, and you can just pin me, and I'm going to be your tour guide here. And I know every inch of this city, every brick of this road. I've been here for tremendous times. There is a jewelry store. A famous Chinese one. Jewelry. There's a big rabbit mascot. It's very nice to enjoy this wonderful road. There's a lottery store. I don't buy any lotteries. I don't think I'm a lucky guy and win a big sum of money. It's impossible. That one is a clock store. Clock. Jewelry store. Jewelry shop. There's a KFC. It's under the renovation right now, but it's in the service. Let's go and have a gander. Wow, it's in the service. Okay guys, if you like this video, give me a like. Thank you very much for your time, and I wish you all the best. Thanks. Thanks again. Bye bye everyone. Bye bye.